how to remove a transition between two pages in your Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove transitions between two pages in your Canva design. So removing transitions between two pages in Canva is fairly very easy. So in order to demonstrate, the first thing that we're gonna do is add transition between two pages. So as here you can see in this particular design, this is the first page and this one is the second page, and between them no particular transition is currently present. So let us add a transition between these two. So in order to add a transition, you need to move your cursor between these two pages, and here you can see these two options. The first one is the add page option and the another one is the add transition. So let's click onto this add transition button and it will open the transitions tab over the left hand side. Now from here you can choose any transition that you want. So for example, let us say the flow transition right here. And here you can see that now this purple icon is appearing here. So that means that the transition has been successfully applied between these two pages. Now I will show you how you can remove this transition. So in order to remove this transition, what you can do is simply click over to this purple icon again and it will open the same transitions tab. And from here you need to choose the none option. And once you will choose the none option, you can simply close it, and here you can see that now no transition is appearing between these two pages. So that's how easily you can remove the transition between two pages in your Canva design. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, so ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.